Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with Sylv Mac. Thank you for joining my show. Today we're going to make some smoked salmon out on the grill, and it's gonna be super simple and super delicious. So, grab that glass of wine, y'all, and let's get to grilling. Okay, so I decided to get some salmon, right? And I decided to splurge a little bit because check out this salmon that I have. This is sushi grade salmon. You can look at the fat, the marbling that's in there. And I got this from a place called Chula Seafood. There's no color added like you get when you go to the supermarket. This is some good eating right here. And it melts in your mouth like butter, butter. Anyway, it was a little expensive because it is $24 a pound, but I decided to splurge a little bit and I'm gonna smoke it and show you how. So it's very simple. I've got my Traeger grill. I'm gonna smoke it at 180 degrees. But before we put it on the grill, let's season it a little bit. It doesn't take a whole lot. I'm gonna put a little olive oil on there. And also, I always like to put a little lemon on my seafood. So just put a little bit on there, not much, but the lemon sort of, it takes away the fishy flavor. Then we're gonna add just a little bit of olive oil, like that. Sort of rub that in. And then for the seasonings, I'm gonna keep it really simple. I've got some smoked salt, I just love smoked salt, some coarse black pepper, and then just some smoked paprika, and that's it. Now, with this type of salmon, you don't wanna cook it all the way. I'm only gonna cook it to medium, because if you cook it all the way, it gets really dry. So you cook it until it's medium, and then, I'm sorry, I was having a moment there. It will melt in your mouth like butter. Let's go on out to the grill. All right, so now we're out here poolside, and I've got my Traeger grill heated up to about 180 degrees. I've got my sushi grade salmon. I put it on a little rack on top of a baking sheet, and I sprayed the rack with a little oil so that the fish won't stick. So now let's put it into the Traeger grill. Okay, so now it's been about an hour that it's been cooking at 180 degrees. Now I'm gonna add just a little bit of olive oil, and I have cranked up the temperature to 300 degrees, and I'm gonna let it cook for like maybe another 5 minutes, because remember, this is sushi grade salmon, so you don't have to cook it all the way, and I wanna cook it till it's about medium. All right, so now it's time to taste the fish, and let me tell you, oh my goodness, it is so moist, and even the thickest part of the fish is done. Can you see that? Moist. You can taste that smoke. It's just melts in your mouth like butter. Butter. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you too can toss your head back and be like, oh my goodness, this is like butter. It's that good.